Everybody, and welcome to our morning math. We are on number 123. So make sure you put your name in the box and then come on down and take a look. We have mixed facts, multiplication versus division, algebra solving for y, time, geometry, place value, and our challenge problem. Let's get started with our multiplication problems. I think there's one above what I see because this is weird. There we go. 4 times 8. 6 times 4. Then we have 7 times 6. And 8 times 9. Hopefully you got 32, 24, 56, no, 42, geez, and 72. Then we go down, and we're going to take a look at the division problems. Division problems, we have 63 divided by 9, 56 divided by 7, 81 divided by 9, and 49 divided by 7. And once you have those, let's scoot on down to the next few problems. We have solve for y. 5 plus y equals 11. So we think about the inverse operation, 11 minus 5. What would that equal? Hopefully you know 5 plus 6 equals 11, or 11 minus 5 equals 6. 4 times 5 equals y. What does y equal? 20. Y divided by 2 equals 9. So 9 times 2 equals, hopefully you said 18. Now that you have that, you're ready to move on down to Danny practicing his guitar for a time. So we have his practices for 70 minutes. He started his guitar lesson at 3:45. What time did the lesson end? Well, hopefully you understand that an hour is 60 minutes, which means that he practiced for more than an hour. And since he practiced for more than an hour, that means that this hand is going to go more than an hour. So we're going to come down to around that 5. But let's find out. We go 70 minutes. So 60 minutes would bring that hand right back to where it is. Then we add 10 more minutes. So we add 5, 10. So the big hand is going to end up, whoa, that was not accurate. The big hand is going to end up at the 11, which is 55, because 11 times 5 is 55. So the time now is 4:55 instead of 3:45. So the answer would be 4:55. 4:55. Once you have that, move on down. What's the value of 7 in the 2,317? Well, the 7 is in the ones place, so 7 times 1 equals 7. What about the 8 in 4,681? Well, when you say it, you can hear it, 80. So let's look. 8 is in the tens place. 8 times 10 is 80. What about the 3 in 8,326? Well, 3 is in the hundreds place, so 3 times 100 equals 300. Sweet. Let's move it on down to the next problem. Brandon was adding totals of raffle sales. He decided to round the numbers first. Round the numbers 864 and 917 to the nearest hundred. So 864 to the nearest hundred, the 8 asks the 6, are you less than 5? The 6 says no, so the 8 has to go to 9. Then we have 917. The 9 asks the 1, are you less than 5? The 1 says yes, so the 9 stays the same. So both numbers become 900. Put a comma between them. If the numbers 864 and 917 round to the same number, which they did, Does that mean the numbers are equal? No, they round to be equal. They are not equal. If I had $864 versus $917, that is not equal. But you could say that they are almost the same based on their estimate, or if you round it, if you said that's about $900. So now that you're done with that, you are finished with your morning work. Thanks so much for working with me, and turn it in. Palm it.